The Ecological Importance of Birds is an Eagle Scout project by Nicholas Garcia. In this Eagle Scout project that spanned from May of 2020 to January 23rd of 2021, Nicholas worked with the site manager, Marinelli, to update an old bird watching area in the park. And this meant creating an informative sign and digital magazine about the 15 most important birds at La Plata itself. He created and retouched expression panels which displayed images of endemic birds, and these expression panels were posted on old TV dishes. As part of what he had strove for, he had mentioned that birds are key components of the ecosystem and maintenance of the biodiversity. And without the birds, there would be countless plants dying, fish scarcity, and insects, pests would invade our habitats, taking away from the color and beauty. He stated it's of the utmost importance to educate awareness and highlight the significance of birds in our ecosystem so we can avoid actions that put birds at risk. By bringing more knowledge to the birds that are endemic to La Plata, he hopes to bring awareness to the key features as to why birds are important to La Plata.